Templates are a new Art Engine feature that allows you to save parts of your node graph and reuse them later in other projects. You can also share templates with other Art Engine users and easily integrate other artists' pipelines into your workflow. Art Engine also ships with a selection of built-in templates created by our artists for common material processing workflows. This means that you no longer have to start your projects from scratch. In this video, we'll go over the basics of creating and using templates. In this Art Engine project, we've created a simple graph for basic material cleanup. To create a template from this graph, we'll select all the nodes, right-click, and choose Create Node Graph Template. Next, we'll give the template a name and a description. Once we hit Save, we'll be able to choose where to save the template.xml file. For the template to appear in Art Engine, it must be placed in the default templates folder. Once saved, the template appears in the templates window on the left. If you ever want to share your template, you can right-click its name and choose Show in the Explorer to find the XML file. To import an external template, click the plus sign icon in Templates tab and point it to the template file. To use any template in our project, we can simply drag and drop it onto the node graph. Here, we'll take a look at how we can use the templates to process a newly scanned leather material and apply it to the jacket in this Unity scene. Let's start with a basic cleanup template. To place a template in the node graph, drag and drop it onto the graph from the templates window. We can now plug our leather material into the template and go through the node chain to make changes where appropriate. We can also quickly chain multiple templates together. Here, we're adding a second template for a material gradient removal. By combining these two templates, we have a complete material processing workflow. All that's left is to plug this node chain into an output node and export using Unity Direct Link. Back in Unity, we can see that our material has been placed into the project, and we can assign it to the jacket. We can take two templates we've just used and combine them into a new template to use with our next material. We can always add new nodes on top of an existing template. For example, we can color match our two materials, combining the color of the first material with the surface texture of the other. With templates, we can start our projects from a solid pipeline base and visualize the results quickly in Unity. Next, we'll demonstrate how templates allow any user to harness the power of advanced material processing workflows. In this example, we have a complex node graph that creates a material from a single image and removes hard shadows. Experienced artists can create templates from such graphs and share them with the Art Engine community. This allows users to get quick, high-quality results without having to put the graphs together from scratch. By using this template, we're able to create a ready-to-use, high-quality PBR material. We can also add in our basic cleanup template to further modify the material. We'll copy it in an interesting area, then we can pan out any unwanted features with a mask and execute the rest of the nodes to get a different material variant. As you can see, templates allow you to condense years of experience into one-click outputs.